In February 2010, a sinkhole tore open overnight in Guatemala City and swallowed a three-story clothing factory so completely that search crews found no rubble, no walls, no roof, just a black hole plunging 300 feet down. Neighbors said the ground gave no warning. One moment the building stood, the next it was gone. The hole was almost perfectly cylindrical, 66 feet wide, as if something had drilled straight down through solid ground. Engineers later traced the real cause to a cracked sewer pipe that had spent years dissolving the soft volcanic ash bedrock beneath the street, hollowing out a cavity nobody could see from above. We post 3 of these every day. Subscribe to get them all. Nobody in the neighborhood heard cracking or felt the street shift before the ground simply opened. Comment below, did you know a sewer leak alone can swallow a building? Guatemala City is built on layers of loose volcanic pumice deposited by ancient eruptions, which means the exact conditions that opened this hole are sitting under other blocks of the city right now, waiting on the next leaking pipe or heavy storm to find them.